Come test drive the 2015 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.